Hello and good morning. Thanks for tuning in. This is Holly Shields live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney, and you're watching the early trades. Today, the S&P ASX 200 is up sharply, getting 1.59%. The top performers in this index are Mesoblast, which is up so far 11.48%, and Zipco up as well, over 9%. Throughout the past 5 days, the index has lost 0.92% and over 9% for the last 52 weeks to date. 10 of 11 sectors are higher today, along with the S&P ASX 200 index, and utilities is the best performer, getting 1.18% and 1.31% over the past 5 days. Looking at some other top gainers in the opening session, Platinum Asset Management is up 6.34%, and Event Hospitality is up as well, 5.82%, while Imugene has climbed 5.12% higher, and Chalice Mining has inched up 4.86%. Then on the flip side, stocks in the red today include PointsBet, which is down so far 3.12%, Sky City Entertainment down as well 1.51%, and Magellan Financial has slid 1.23% to trade lower, along with the Insurance Australia Group, which is down 0.69%, and Pendal down as well 0.67%. Now to some stocks making a buzz today in the opening session. Australia's largest listed real estate investment trust, Waypoint, reported a gross valuation uplift of $139 million for the 6 months to June 30. That is due to a combination of contracted annual rental increases and capitalisation rate compression. Shares of Waypoint REIT were trading 2.58% higher in the opening trades. And following this, Australian baby food producer Bubs Australia has entered into a new supply agreement with 2 new retail banner groups in the US before the arrival of plane number 4 under Operation Fly Formula. The supplies are expected to land in the US on July 6th, holding about 90,000 tins with a total gross revenue of roughly $3 million. And shares of Bubs were trading 3.23% higher in the opening trades. Then finally, the tech-enabled provider of outsourced administration services, Link Group, says it won't recommend Dye & Durham's latest share bid for the company. On the 27th of June, Dye & Durham reduced its bid for Link to $4.30 per share, which Link has continued to engage with on an agreement. The Link board is saying that it will consider an amendment to the agreed scheme consideration. And in response to this, shares of Link Group were trading 0.53% higher in the opening session. And looking at some important economic shifts happening around the world, commodity prices tumbled last week amid concerns that an economic slowdown will hurt demand. Copper, for one, fell to its lowest since February of last year. And the metal, which is seen as an economic bellwether, is now around 20% off its peak reached in early March. Other industrial metals also tumbled, with nickel down 3.9% and zinc falling close to 10% last week. Meanwhile, iron ore sank for a third consecutive day on Friday, following renewed fears of curbs on Chinese steel output. And crude oil finished the week on a positive note, however, as the supply-side issues offset concerns of weaker demand. Now that is a wrap for the early trades. Stay tuned for more on Kalkine TV because we have many more shows lined up today. I'm Holly Shields signing off.